Hello everybody. I'm just checking how are you doing in case nobody checked you today or couple days. I am always praying with you and I believe in you and I'm proud of you because you never give up, you never quit, you never surrender. Even you're going through the darkest situation of your life right now, you still hanging there like you always do. You trust, you have a strongest faith and believe with Almighty God. And you know within your heart that all the answer is always within your heart. You got this and I'm proud of you. And I'm rooting for you and I'm praying for you. And I love you. And you always know that Almighty God never give you that you cannot handle. You are strongest, toughest, resilient than you thought. You've been surviving it since you was a child. And now, you know, you got this, especially you focus on lessons, self-love, self-healing, and making yourself priority without guilt because you know you deserve it. It's about time to take care of yourself, okay? Take care and never give up. And remember, you're never alone. I've been there too. And I can feel and I can relate, resonate exactly what you're going through. It's okay to cry, scream. It's okay because the the one that you love the most are the one that gonna hurt you deeply. I can resonate on that. But it's okay. We got this. And we are worth it. We are enough. We matter always. And we're never alone. And Almighty God is always within us. And all the answer is always within us, within our heart. And we focus on lessons, what it's teaching us. And most of the time, it's not about us. It's about them. How they treat us, it's about them, not us. Okay? Take care. God bless us all. Love you. Peace. And keep on smiling no matter what we be going through. We got this. Okay? Love you.